In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through a step-by-step guide on how to make a quiz using Google Forms. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, head to forms.google.com and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Click on the blank form under Start a New Form. This will open a fresh, untitled form. Before adding questions, we need to turn this into a quiz. At the top of the screen, click on Settings, then toggle on the option that says Make this a quiz. You can also decide whether respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, or point values, but for now, we'll leave those as default. Now, click back to the Questions tab. Let's give our quiz a name, for example, Basic Math Quiz, and add a short description like, Test your skills with these simple math questions. Let's add our first field, the participant's name. Click on the default question, type your name, and change the question type to short answer using the drop-down on the right. Then toggle on required so they can't skip it. Now let's move on to the actual quiz questions. Click the plus button on the right to add a new question. Type, what is 5 plus 3? From the drop-down, choose multiple choice as the question type. Then add a few options, for example, 6, 7, 8, 9. Once you've added the options, click Answer key below. Select the correct answer, in this case 8, and assign a point value like 1 point. Click Done, and don't forget to make the question required again. Repeat this process to add more quiz questions. For example, what is 9 minus 4? Choices 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct answer 5, and assign another point. You can also add other types of questions like checkboxes, drop-downs, or even images and videos if you want to make the quiz more interactive. Once you're happy with your quiz, it's time to share it. Click Publish in the top right corner. You can either send it via email or click the link icon to get a shareable link. To make it shorter, check the shorten URL box and copy the link. Now you can share your quiz with anyone. And that's it. You've just created a fully functional online quiz using Google Forms. Super simple and completely free. If you found this helpful, give us a like and consider subscribing for more quick how-to guides.